how to create a promo code on Wix. So here from the dashboard, we want to focus on the left-hand side and we want to hover over marketing, then hover over discounts and just choose this option for coupons. So here we can create a new promo code by clicking on new coupon in the top right corner. And then we can create the coupon code itself here. So I'm going to do store promo. And if people type this out, they will receive the discount, which can be is for a specific amount, for a percentage, for free shipping, for a sale price, or buy X, get one free. So I'm going to do a percentage here, and store promo is the code itself, and the discount is going to be 15% off, for example. And we can also choose what to apply this to all products, to specific product, to specific category, or a minimum order subtotal. So I'm going to choose all products here. And then we can also include subscriptions. We can set an end date by clicking on this box, unchecking it, and then choosing when the coupon code ends or the promo code ends. And we can also limit the total number of users for this coupon. For example, 5 people can use it. And we can also limit this to 1 per person. So once we are done setting up our promo code on Wix, we'll click on create coupon, and as you can see now we have this status active and we can copy the coupon code. So that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.